Lying in a hotel sofa bed 2 weeks in and wishing I was dead Try to conjure up the things we said the last time
안녕하세요 꿈꾸님들 저는 드라마 쓰고 있는 신인 작가 김민주입니다. 작업실이 있긴 있는데요 작은 컨테이너가 있어가지고 추워서 겨울에는 쉴 수가 없는데 이제 저는 되게 중요한 시기를 보내고 있어요. 편성을 받냐 마느냐 하는 시기를 보내고 있어서 글을 편하게 쓸 수 있는 작업실이랑 침실이 같이 있는 공간이었으면 좋겠습니다.
까사미아 이거는 베드룸 광고가 나왔는데요. 광고 속 이미지를 좀 활용해서 메이크업을 진행하려고 해요.
저희 집에서 진짜 되는 건지 너무 기대가 됩니다.
꿈꾸님들 안녕하세요. 꿈꾸는 집 스타일리스트 김지은입니다. 이번 영상에서는 까사미아 광고 속 프렌치 시크 스타일 베드룸을 모티브로 메이크오버를 진행했는데요. 그레이 앤 블루 컬러로 전체 톤을 맞추어 고급스럽고 세련된 분위기를 내주고 직업 특성상 한 공간에서 오래 작업하시는 사연자님을 위해 잠깐이나마 분위기 있게 휴식할 수 있도록 포인트 공간을 마련해 주었습니다.
And take a fright Someone popping up from the night This is more, do you have a light? I'm sorry I'm not for my glassy eyes And please ignore my crooked smile I just came out of the rip-up band You should go and have fun And I was working down along the Alp, it was late, almost around 12. I was thinking I should get a jacket. Suddenly, smoke's the only thing that I can see. A tall figure coming towards me. Sorry I'm out for the smell of fish We are night grilling here out on the beach And this compelling to have a drink You should join and grab a beer And I was working out in Schanzenstrasse down to hit And I grab a glass and then I feel a flash of pain, a flaring in my feet Then I see 3 young fellas standing in front of me While I say something I can get Maybe asking for a cigarette I'm sorry, man, if I stomped your feet I tried to drag my drums across the street We're gonna play tonight and across the street We're gonna play tonight and had the knust You should come I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face like the way you look at me. 'Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, 'cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, 'cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? The last one. I've heard stories about exes calling up brides on their wedding day, professing all the love from a once upon a time that they threw away. And the fear that I'm fighting is constantly rising in the back of my mind. Is that you'll finally open up your eyes, that you'll leave me for another guy. Always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it?
오! 와! 너무 예뻐요. 진짜 너무 예뻐요. 이거 5단짜리일 것 같은데 여기 앉아서 너무 예뻐요. 이 집에서 제 방에서 이렇게 예쁘게 될지 몰랐어요. 이런 다른 집 온 것 같아요. 소파가 글 쓰다가도 쉴 수 있고 힐링이 될 것 같아요. 드라마 하나 쓰기까지 3년 걸리거든요. 드라마 쓸 때까지. 근데 1년 반 정도 넘었어요. 그래서 되게 지금 힘든 시기인데 내후년에는 드라마 나왔으면 좋겠어요. 잘 쓸 수 있을 것 같습니다. 덕분에.
Nothing to see as the day turns into